SenseSpark has one of the best screen recorders on the market, especially if you're in sales, customer success, or another position where you want to make videos very quickly because you're reaching out to a lot of people. I'm going to show you some of the things that I love about the product. Of course, we have the normal like camera bubble screen recording stuff that you can use from Mac or PC. We also have a Chrome extension that lets you launch a recorder from anywhere. And this is going to be kind of meta because I'm going to record a video while recording a video. But what you can do, first of all, you can use our camera effects to give yourself a virtual background or touch up your appearance. And you can record these quick personalized videos from anywhere. Hello, I'm making a video just to show you how you can do some quick editing from SenseSpark. Once you record a video using the Chrome extension, this pops up in a modal, which means that even if you're in LinkedIn, email, like HubSpot, wherever you live all the time, you'll be able to record and send videos right from here. You have some shortcuts to download the video, delete the video, re-record, or apply a template, which is going to let you automatically add a link to your calendar or any other call to action, as well as text to the video to send out. So when you send it out, it's not just this video you saw me record, but it has this beautiful page template from my saved template. You can see you can embed it. This is my HubSpot calendar, but you can do Calendly, Chili Piper, any calendar platform you can think of. And you can also combine videos here. So let's say that you have a pre-recorded product demo or another video from your team. You can see your whole video library and your team library from here to select a video to merge with it. I'll just select this random video now for you to see. You can also do some light editing and some trimming right from here, as well as open the page up in SenseSpark to get a little bit deeper with the editing. But assuming you don't want to do any of this, you just want to quickly share, of course, we give you the shortcuts to share the link, as well as share a linked GIF to paste an email, which is going to look really good. You'll see that you don't just have the link in your email, but you're going to have this nice video thumbnail here as well. It's going to look like this. So altogether, the goal is to give you a super fast, lightweight platform to record quick, personalized messages to send out, showing yourself at your screen. Hope you enjoy.